All right, third graders, I need you to take out a separate sheet of paper if you have not. So you will do your work on a separate sheet of paper, take a picture, and send it right to me on this video. Okay, let's listen along to our math message.
Math message. 4 friends equally share 6 granola bars. How many granola bars will each friend get? Use sketches to show your thinking.
All right, what is our first step once we have a number story or a number problem? What do we need to do? We first need to figure out what we know. But look at this, it says use sketches to show your thinking. That means we must draw a picture. All right, niños and niñas, boys and girls, what do we know? We know there's 4 friends. We know there's 6 granola bars and they need to share them equally. So what is it asking us? How many granola bars will each friend get? 4 friends, 6 granola bars. Does that mean I can draw 4 friends and my 4 friends are going to be, let's make them circles today. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I have 4 friends. Boom, covered. Got my 4 circle friends. Now what? They equally share 6 granola bars. Can I give everyone a granola bar? 1 granola bar, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. 5, 6. Did everyone get an equal share if I started getting out granola bars? No, look, friend 1 and 2 got 2 granola bars, and friend 3 and 4 only got 1. So that is not going to work. What can we do instead? What can we do instead? You might say, Miss Schmidt, they can each get 1. They can each get 1 granola bar, and then we could divide them. We could do that. I could give 1. Then let's make them little rectangles. 1 granola bar, 2 granola bar, 3 granola bar, 4 granola bar. If I just gave out 4 granola bars, how many do I have total? I have 6. So 6 take away 4 is 2. I have 2 granola bars left. So I'm going to write my granola bar out here. If you haven't had an idea yet, I want you to at least draw your 4 friends out. Either use this strategy. So right now, everyone has 1, 1, 1, 1. All 4 friends. And I'll write 1 friend, 2 friend, 3 friend, 4 friend. And why do we have those rectangles? So we had 4 friends. Oh, we had 6 granola bars, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh, goodness gracious, and 5 and 6 granola bars. How can we split these equally, right? Right now, everyone has 1, but I have 2 left over. What could I do? You can either use this strategy or a different strategy, but I want you to go ahead and solve this on your own. Put me on pause when you have the answer. Unpause me. So go ahead, put me on pause, figure out your answer. All right, people, if you are back, that means that you have put me on pause and you've answered these. How could we do that using this model? How could I get, well, everyone has 1 granola bar right now. How can I do this? I need 1, 2, 3, I need 4 more. Well, one way I could do it is I could split this up into 4 pieces and this up into 4 pieces, and I could give 1 to everyone, right? If I went burp, burp, burp. Look at, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I'm burp, 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 I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, when you use this in a rectangle, you always make 1 less line than the numbers you want, because I have 1, 2, 3 lines and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. That's just a nice little trick for you. So I could say I'm going to give this first piece to number 1, and I'm going to give this first piece to number 1. And then I could give the second piece and the second piece to number 2, and the third piece and the third piece to number 3, and the fourth piece and the fourth piece to number 4. And then everyone would have what? They would have 2 parts out of 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, right? Because if there's 4 parts in here and 4 parts in here, and they got 1, 2, boom, they got 2 parts out of 4. So they'd have 1 and 2 fourths. Great. You might be saying, Miss Schmidt, I did it a different way. And I bet you did. I bet you did. And we're going to draw that right now. So remember, I had 2 granola bars there. I don't want my eraser. I had 2 extra granola bars. And you could have just said, Miss Schmidt, I know that I get 2 pieces if I make this go in half. And I know that I get 2 pieces if I make that go in half. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 halves, right? This is a half piece. This is a half piece. This is a half piece. And this is a half piece. So I say friend number 1 gets a half. Friend number 2 gets the second half. Friend number 3 gets the third half. And friend number 4 gets the fourth half. So how many granola bars does each friend get? Well, remember, they all had 1 whole piece. And now they're getting a half piece. So how much does each friend have? Let me draw an arrow that's like my equal sign. They have 1 and 1/2, right? We had 1 part out of 2 parts. 1 part out of 1, 2. So they have 1 whole 1 and 1 part out of 2. That whole always goes on the bottom. 1.5. What's my label? 1.5 granola bars, and I'm going to let you write that. I want to see your label in your answer that you send to me. Remember, this is on a separate sheet of paper. If you do not have this written down or you did not come up with your own answer, please write this down so that I know you're sticking along with me, and send a picture to your teacher. Meet me at the next video.